The AutoZone Fix Finder's top reasons your check engine light may be on. Number 7. EVAP Purge Control Valve Solenoid. So you've been to AutoZone and our free Fix Finder service has revealed that your EVAP Purge Control Valve is worn out or failing. What's the next step? What is it and what does it do? The Evaporative Emission Control, or EVAP system, prevents fuel vapors created in the fuel tank from escaping into the air by slowly releasing them into your engine as it begins to run at regular speed. The Purge Control Valve controls the fuel vapor purged from the charcoal canister. Why do they go bad? Your EVAP Purge Control Valve can simply wear out, clog, and fail electrically. Where can I find the EVAP Purge Control Valve or solenoid? The EVAP Purge Valve, or solenoid, is usually located in the engine compartment, but it can also be located by the EVAP canister. What are the signs of a faulty EVAP Purge Control Valve? Indications include rough idle, trouble starting, engine problems, low gas mileage. How difficult is it to replace an EVAP Purge Control Valve or solenoid? A new EVAP Purge Control Valve or solenoid usually costs between $50 and $150, depending on your vehicle's engine, and is pretty easy to change out. On our difficulty scale from 1 to 10, we give this job a 4. With a few simple tools, you can replace it in as little as 10 minutes. Do I need to replace it? Making sure your EVAP Purge Control Valve or solenoid is operating properly helps with better fuel economy and contributes to cleaner air. Not replacing it usually does not affect engine performance. Now that you know what to do, take the next step and stop by AutoZone for the right parts, tools, and friendly advice. And if you need a repair shop, we can help you with that too.